Let's go.
What's up guys? It's your boy Steven Abel. Yeah. For today's vlog, kita nyo naman sa description, we are going to unbox my new laptop that I just bought on Amazon online for sale price. Sale price ko siya nakuha. Although it's still expensive, but I have to buy new. Disclaimer guys, sorry for not making a new vlog on my YouTube channel. It's been 3 weeks or 1 month already that I haven't posted a new vlog, but I'll try my best this month. Month of August, I'm going to try my very best to make a new content on my channel. And also guys, I forgot to tell you that I am monetized on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for your support, for your love, for your care, or anything. Thank you guys. And because of that, I am going to give you shoes. As promised guys, we are going to have a raffle. Shoes, legit shoes I'm going to give you guys. So there will be only one lucky winner to win a legit shoes. So watch out for the mechanics on my Facebook profile. Sorry guys, ang kulit ko ngayon lang ulit ang vlog, kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na. And now guys, unbox na natin yung pinaka main content ng video na ito. Ang binili kong laptop na si Huawei Matebook D14. For the thumbnail, ulitin ko guys, binili ko siya sa Amazon online dahil naka-sale price siya ng 39,990, which is not bad for a mid-range laptop or gaming laptop. Pero totally hindi mo siya totally gaming laptop. Pwede siyang pang office talaga or pang edit ng vlogs and etc. Since madami naman nag-unbox nito sa YouTube, kaya I'm going to make this video short as possible. And now, let's start. Bago mag-start yung unboxing video, papakita ko lang guys yung freebies na kasama sa Amazon. Itong Huawei backpack. Malaki siya guys. Backpack Swift CD60. Yan. And second is yung JBL Tune 210 earphones. And also the Huawei mini speaker. And yung isang freebie sa Amazon ay to be follow yung ZTE Pocket Wi-Fi. Pero this pa na di-deliver dahil wala sa warehouse. Pero yun muna yung una nilang din-deliver. And now guys, let's go back to the laptop. As I said earlier guys, ang name ng laptop nito ay Huawei Matebook D14. And it has a 14 inches screen. And later guys, sasabihin ko na or lalagay ko naman sa vlog yung specs ng laptop na to. So, ngayon ko lang siya guys makikita in person. Ang nakita ko lang kasi sa in person yung Huawei Matebook D15, which is more bigger than this one. Ito siya guys. Sabay natin bubuksan. So may foam siya for safety. Ang ganda. So in the box, ang laman, ang unang makikita nyo ay yung laptop and yung quick start guide and yung laptop itself. Maliit lang siya guys, sobrang handy lang siya, magaan lang. So tabi natin yan. Then foam ulit. Nasa gilid yung charger. Ito guys yung lalagyan ng charger. Parang charger ng cellphone itong yung Huawei charger ng D14. Ang connector niya ay ito. unlike sa mga bigger laptop or sa mga ibang brand, to guys, Type-C cable for the laptop and yung adapter. So maliit lang siya and pwede ilagay sa bag. Hindi siya yung sa ibang laptop yung mga malalaki. Kung nagigets niyo ako. So ang color na kinuha ko ay space gray. Tignan natin siya guys. May sticker. Sana ganyan. Parang purple siya tignan. I think I'm not sure. Hala, ang ganda guys. Yan. So, ang specs ng laptop na to guys, ang CPU is Ryzen 7 3700U. So, pang gaming talaga din siya. Pero, hindi naman siya kayang-kaya pang heavy gaming dahil built-in battery siya and masisira siya pag tumagal, pag heavy gaming ang ginawa. And for the GPU guys, is AMD Radeon RX Vega 10 graphics. It is 8GB of RAM and storage of 512 SSD, better than HDD. The main thing I like about this laptop is the camera is placed already under the keyboard. It also has a fingerprint sensor.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one? Now type your credentials. It's not only faster, it's more secure than a password. Want to set that up now? Follow the instructions to teach your PC to read your fingerprints. Want to set up a PIN?
And also guys, bago matapos yung video na to, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga binili kong mga accessories for my new laptop. First kong binili is yung, kung makikita nyo sa likod, pero papakita ko pa rin sa inyo. Itong KB or Onikuma gaming or professional gaming headset. Hindi siya yung sobrang ganda. Ano lang siya, budget price, budget meal lang na gaming headphones. Binili ko to sa Shopee for 779, free shipping na yun. Dahil meron akong voucher sa Shopee dahil okay na ako ng Shopee talaga. And yun, ito yung itsura niya. May ilaw siya guys sa gilid pag nakasaksak. Usually ginagamit ko to sa PS4 Pro ko. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo guys yung ilaw niya. Ito. Wait lang. Ito siya guys. Yan. Then, aka-attach na sa kanya yung mic sa mga streamer dyan na gusto bumili ng budget headphones. Ayan. Ayan siya. And also, yung mouse na kakadating lang din kahapon. Ito. Venom WGC1. Ito siya. Ito yung box niya. Funtech brand. 2400 DPI with 20M clicks. Siya pag binuksan. May charger siya. Then, yun nga. Mostly, pag gaming mouse naman is merong ilaw talaga. Ito baka lobat na ata itong mouse ko. Yun, lobat na siya. So, worth it naman yung price or sa price range niya nung nabili kong headphones and mouse. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch nyo guys yung mechanics to be posted on my Facebook profile, Steven A. Ron. Thank you.